And if you're new to the channel, please don't forget to go to my page and click the subscribe button and stay up to date on all my latest updates.
It's not me.
All right, so again, it is mail day, and look what just showed up. So first and foremost, I do not know why it was so hard to get these. I checked multiple vendors online, and for some odd reason, everybody wanted like $100 or so over. So then I went to Weld website and they had it, but the only thing was they didn't have the specific size that I wanted. I wanted the 19 by 9. I didn't want a true front skinny. I just wanted a really nice wheel that'll, go over there. But nobody had the 19 by 9s. And if they did have it, they was charging like $100 over. And then Weld website didn't have it in stock, so I had to wait. Kept saying out of stock. So then one day I decided just to go onto the website, and bam, what do you know? They had it in stock. Straight from Weld in Kansas City. Got here super quick. I think I ordered on a Wednesday, got here on a Saturday. So let's open it up, give you guys a peek. All right, and here we go. So you guys remember when we were at Lidio's and I said, man, that GT500 looked really good on those fronts. I wasn't playing. I told you guys I had to come and get me some. So of course, Weld with the phenomenal packaging. Let's get these out of there. I just find it so crazy that these were literally sold out for so long. I literally waited for months for these to come back in stock. It's crazy how fast these sell. All right, you guys ready? Oh man, here we go. Look at that. Oh, these are going on the front. Beautiful. All right, so now we gotta wait for the front tires to get here, and then we're gonna go get these mounted. All right, so now it's install day. As you guys can see, we got the welds inside the trunk. We got all the nuts and the TPMS, so let's go ahead and get these installed. I also got a notification on my phone that the update 6.32 was downloaded to my car. I think that's pretty sweet that they can just send updates to the car and it updates it. Gives it a bunch of new features. So let's see if it is in fact on here. All right, so we're just gonna click the Mustang button down here. We're gonna go to cluster theme, scroll down, and there it is. Not bad. What do you guys think for the 60th anniversary? I just think that it's sweet that they can send stuff directly to the car and it just updates like that. I think that's a really nice touch. I'm kind of glad they got that feature. It's a little rainy, but rain never stopped anything. Rain or shine, we got to get these installed because I am super busy and I just got to have these installed. Just got to see how they look. So we're on the way. right, so here we are, the final product. The Weld wheels are on, and I must say, I mean, this car looks really, really, really good with them on. I mean, the appearance is just beautiful. I mean, it look like it's just ready for war. Now, some of you may say, like, you know, hey, what's up, why are you doing all this? Remember from the last video, I said when I saw that GT500 at Lidio's that I was gonna get the front runners, well, not front runner, but the matching front pair for this car, and here we are. So the reason why I'm doing all this is because, as you guys know, Whipple said that they are releasing their kit at the end of the month. I have talked to my vendor, and guess what? Mine's is coming, so I want to be 100% ready when everything comes. So as soon as that Whipple comes, we're gonna slap it on, dyno, hit the track. We're just gonna have complete fun with this car. I got a lot of races lined up, so it's a lot of good things that we got coming up for this car. So if there's any things you guys want to see, just let me know. I will be sure to get that on here. But I have a lot in store. So just stay tuned. Thank you for watching.